Hello, welcome to Tim's Time. We'll be kicking off the holiday season tonight with a user request to draw a picture of a dodo bird. Before we get started with that though, I would just like to extend an apology to YouTube user Jim, who wanted a picture of Steve Austin ripping off Sasquatch's arm. I totally misunderstood his request. I thought he wanted Steve Austin to be hurting a poor little creature in the Pacific Northwest who is currently fleeing his home in a California wildfire. Turns out what he was referring to was a super awesome alien-controlled robot Sasquatch that fought the $6 million man back in the mid-70s. And we'll be posting a link to that little bit of awesomeness in the comment section. So, what we're going to do is we're going to start off with drawing our dodo. And of course there'll be some awesome dodo related jokes along the way. So, first we'll go with our dodo. There we go. Looks like a dodo, doesn't it? Looking pretty good so far, right? Dodo joke number one. What kind of weights do dodos lift? Dumbbells. Number two, what do you call a bunch of dodos playing hide and seek? Foul play. Alright, here's our dodo bird. As always, like and subscribe. We'll leave you with one parting dodo joke. What do you call a dodo on drugs? A quackhead. Remember, like and subscribe.